Actually, today is our 4th year anniversary. Yes, nagkakilala nga kami sa Dubai na hindi ko alam na kapitbahay ko pala siya.
And today is a very special day. Despite of the unpredictable weather and pandemic still, we are all gathered here to witness this union of two hearts. Two hearts that chose to beat as one. And that is si Reynan and Sheila. Because you are like a tidal wave.
Nagulat din ako eh. Hindi ko nga akalain na magiging siya yung nagpapasaya sa akin. Yung tipong pagkawala siya, hinahanap ko kagad.
Siguro yung love is kapag ka yung talagang at peace yung puso mo, yung isip mo, parang kahit na wala sa oras eh, na yung kakakilala nyo lang, tapos bigla naging kayo, parang pag na-feel mo na yun na talaga yun, yun na. Sobrang maalaga, sobrang supportive partner. Kasi kumbaga yung love is there na eh. Pero yung trust mo sa partner mo and support and respect, hindi mo siya basta makikita sa tao, which is yun yung nakita ko sa kanya.
I can't see through the windows. I can't hear through the walls. But I can't live in the middle. I'm afraid of it all.
Reynan, did you come here on your own free will to burn yourself forever in the love and service of her wife?
Yes, I do.
Did you take Sheila here present and become her lawful wedded wife?
Yes, I do.
Two broken souls na nag-meet, na yun nga, parang nandito na kami ngayon, na parang mas naano namin na meant for each other siguro talaga kami, ganon. Actually, hindi siguro, talagang meant, kasi andito na yun. Don't open. Ano sabi? Happy 4th anniversary, asawa ko. Matala ko, wala ka message. Magandang araw, I love you. Ito na yung matagal mong gusto. Love, Pogi. Gusto ko talaga. Oy! Happy anniversary. Yes.
Yes.
Kasal ka na! Dahil naiiyak ka ba? Umiyak ka!
Thank you.
Boy! Alauna!
Walang letter.
Yun!
Thank you, babe. Salamat dahil naalala mo na yung gusto ko talagang regalo.
Did you come here in your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, I do.
And did you take Reynan here present to become her lawful wedded husband?
Yes, I do. Siya talaga yung nakapagpabago na yung puso at saka isip mo sobrang at peace na siya yung partner ko.
Ito yung babalikan natin kwento ng buhay natin na ikikwento natin sa mga magiging mga anak natin. Sheila Ann Vergado, nangahiganap Sheila Ann Hodgson. Ako to, si Empo, na mahal ka. Now, single sign. I love you forever. Babe, best friend, partner, asawa. Tatandaan mo, hindi man ako sigurado kung hanggang kailan ang buhay natin o buhay ko. Isa lang ang siguradong mapapangako. Mamahalin kita ng walang kapalit at hanggat nabubuhay ako, di ako mawawala sa tabi mo.